Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is V. In today's simple everyday eyeshadow look on hooded eyes, I am going to use the Aurora Lights palette by BH Cosmetics. Today I am using the 12th color, and the name of the 12th color is Glowing. Perfect. There are 18 shades in the palette, and I want to use one color every day until I do all 18 shades. So we start now. This is what glowing looks like. It's a green. I hope it shows nicely for you. So I'm gonna take glowing and put over my eyes. No particular place. We're having fun with makeup. Your makeup is supposed to be fun, fun, fun. Have fun. Now I'm blending to fix my black. And this is the 12th color. It's called Glowing. It's green and it's over here. Hopefully it shows up green here. I'm using the Fenty. Pressed Soft Matte Foundation Powder. That's the only new thing on my face today. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I will see you in another video. Simple, everyday eyeshadow look on Hooded Eyes. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.